Hello everyone, my name's Neil. I'm from Cooper Barnes Automotive. I run an accident repair centre and body shop over in Linton. If anyone's ever dealt with an insurer, I'm pretty much guessing it wasn't a happy, straightforward and easy process. They don't make life easy. They're not there to make life easy because, I'm going to be honest, they don't care about you and they don't care about your car. All they care about is how much money they can make out of the other insurance company or how much money you're going to cost them. If you're coming up to your insurance renewal, there's a new little box that you might want to pay attention to. And it's a tick box which says, I'm happy to pay up to, well, starting at £250 if I don't use the body shop of my choice. Now, they're skating on a little bit of thin ice here because legally, insurance companies can't influence the choice of body shop. It's your car, it's your right to have it estimated and repaired where you want. If you drive a Toyota, for example, we've got 18 manufacturer approvals, Toyota being one of them. If the body shop the insurers want to send you to isn't Toyota approved, they don't care. Well, you want to have it repaired correctly by an approved repairer. The only reason they're sending you to one of their network body shops and trying to control that is because it's cheap. They've negotiated cheap labour rates. And when has the cheapest ever been the best? You wouldn't go into the parachute shop and say, can I have the one from the middle aisle box, please? You'd always say, I want the most expensive one, the one that's going to guarantee to get me back on the ground. And that's what we do. We repair cars correctly. It doesn't matter about the cost. It's got to be done properly. You're going to be driving that car at 70 miles an hour with friends, family, loved ones. You've got to make sure that you're confident in that repair. You don't want it done by Fred in the shed, who's shaving time and shaving money because the insurers have put them under pressure. So next time you come to your insurance renewal, make sure that checkbox isn't there. If it is, try and look at another insurer because all they're trying to do is control you and what you do, and that is not fair. It's your car, it's your choice. That's Neil from Cooper Barnes Automotive, and we hope that you never need us, but if you do, our tagline is, we welcome careless drivers. Thank you.